So guys, welcome to the 45th tutorial of Python programming series. Now we are going to see Lambda functions. So by Lambda functions, what do they mean is, see, when we define some normal functions, in it we just define them, we give some arguments, we give a colon, inside indentation we just specify some instructions and all some bits of code, and after that we return something, some value that we want the function to return. So that is a normal function. So a Lambda function is, it can be written in just one line. That's it. That's just a Lambda function for you. But the difference between the normal function and Lambda function can be, Lambda function is a throwaway function basically. So it can be used for a short period of time, but it can be used in anywhere in the program. So that's the benefit of Lambda function. And one more thing about them is, you can have any number of arguments, but the return expression can be limited to only one line. That is, we can write only one line of code. As in normal functions, we can write as many lines of code as we want, but in Lambda function we can just write one line. So that's the disadvantage, you can say. So let us define a function to add two values. So suppose I have a function called adder, and when you defined it, what you did for normal functions, you just wrote the keyword def, that is defined, and after that the function name, suppose adder. So in it, what you do is, you just write a variable name like adder, that is going to be the Lambda function name, and adder will be a Lambda function of, so this is the basic syntax. So adder is a Lambda of, now here we'll specify the arguments. So suppose you want to add x comma y, so these two are the arguments that I'm going to use. After that, just give a colon, and after that what you are going to do is, you are going to write what you have to return. So what you have to return is just simply x plus y. So that's it. That's just Lambda function for you. So now what you want to do is just simply print out adder and write in the arguments as well. So suppose you want to add into numbers like say 4,6, and you run this program, you get 10 as the output. So that's all about Lambda functions. So basically, this is basic syntax. So this is the function name adder. After that, write assignment operator equals to, then write lambda. So lambda, and then you will just write lambda represents the Lambda functions basically. So after that, you will write x comma y, which are the arguments that are going to be used. After that, simply return x plus y. So this line specifically means, after the colon, it means you are going to return x plus y. And suppose you want to you are having some function called exponential and having lambda of x. Actually, let us perform it. So suppose you are having a function called expo, it will be lambda of say x, and what you want to do is, you just want to return x raised to 2. So simply x raised to 2, and that, or 3, whatever. So now what you want to do is simply print out expo of, now what, so say 9, and when you run this bit of code, you will get 81 as the output. So that's it about Lambda functions. But the limit is, you can just use one line for returning an expression. So that's it. And actually, you might have a doubt that why do we need Lambda functions and all. But if you are into competitive coding, then Lambda functions are really important. They can save many lines of code for you. And this is the theory and all, if you want to read it for yourself. So that's all from my side. Thank you. And one more thing that I would like to add up quickly is, if you like such content related to programming or any cool programming videos, then you can like and comment on my videos, and you can subscribe to my channel, so that it will help my channel to grow further, because I see many people have not subscribed to the channel yet. So it will help my channel to grow further, and I'm really grateful that you all are watching my videos. So that's all. Thank you.